Hello everyone. Today in this video session I am going to teach you Cbse class 10th Maths chapter 8 exercise 8.4. This 8.4 is based on the trigonometry identities. Let's start with the first problem. The first problem, you have to express the trigonometry ratio sin A, sec A, tan A and in terms of cot A. So first we will find for sin A. Sin A, by using the identity, we know what is the relation between cosec square A minus cot square A, which is equals to 1. This is the identity. So here we will transfer this cot toward the other side. So we will get 1 plus cot square A. Now we have to express in terms of cot A. Cot A is already there. Now we know cosec square A is equals to how much? 1 by sin square A. So we will substitute here the value of cosec square A, which will give us sin square is equals to 1 by, that is, this is the reciprocal 1 by sin square A. So when you will find sin square A, this will become the reciprocal, that is 1 by 1 plus cot square A. After this square we have to transfer. Whenever the square is transferred, it comes to the square root. So you can see here that the sin A we got in a terms of cot A. Similarly, now we will find for sec A. Now sec A, we know identity. When we use identity, it is what? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. So here we will transfer tan toward this side. We will get 1 plus tan square A. Now we know the relation of tan between, that is sec square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Now we know what is tan theta. It is reciprocal of cot square theta. So we will put here the value of tan, that is 1 by cot, and since it is square, so this will be also square. So you will get what? 1 plus cot square theta. When you will solve this will go in numerator, cot square theta plus 1 upon cot square A. So here you will get sec square A is equals to 1 plus cot square A upon cot square A. And sec A, if we have to find A, so we will transfer this square root and it will go toward this side. So this will give us what? Sec A is equals to 1 plus cot square A upon cot A. Now we know that is tan A is how much? 1 by cot A. So we know that it is tan A is the reciprocal of cot A. So we will get tan A is equals to 1 by cot A. So this was asked only you have to express the sine, sec and tan A in terms of cot A. So sine we have transferred in the terms of cot A, and sec also we have transferred in the terms of tan, and we see that that is tan we have transferred in the terms of cot. Tan, it is very easy because we can easily transfer in a reciprocal 1 by cot A. So in this way we can easily transfer in a terms of cot A all this 3 ratio. Similarly, now we will do question number 2. Question number 2, it is asked write all other trigonometry ratios of in terms of sec A, means all ratio, that 6 ratio we have to write in terms of sec A. Now for sin A, we know what is the identity between the relation of sin and cos. It is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So we will transfer, we will get sin equal to 1 minus cos square A. When we are transferring this, we know cos, that is sec is reciprocal of cos. Here we can substitute the formula of cos, that is 1 by sec. So easily we can get this while solving it, sin A in terms of sec A. Sine in terms of sec A. Similarly, if we want to find cosec, it is asked all. Here only you can do cosec theta will be what? Reciprocal of this two. So here you can find cosec A also, which will be sec by square root sec square A minus 1. So that we can find later also. Now here, till here it is over, sine in a terms of sec. Now we will find other, that is after sine we know the second ratio is cos. It is very simple because cos already it is what? Reciprocal of sec. So it is already in a terms of sec. Now for tan. Now tan, we know the relation of tan is what? Sec squared theta minus tan squared theta is equals to 1. This is the identity. From here we can find tan in a terms of sec. Only we have to transfer, and this square will be transferred, and we will get tan A is equals to sec square A minus 1. Till here you have find three ratios: sine, cos and tan in terms of sec. Now you can just in one step you can reciprocal all these three answer. See here it is, you are getting reciprocal of this sine A, reciprocal of this cosec. You are getting only the reciprocal of this value, that is inverse of this, and you can get cosec. And for cos, we know it is 1 by sec A, or sec A is equals to 1 by cos A. So tan A we have got in terms of sec, sec is already in a terms of sec, cosec we have reciprocal the sine, and cot, we know cot is the reciprocal of 1 by tan A. We have to reciprocal, that is cot A is equals to 1 by tan A. So cot A will be what? 1 by tan A, and tan A we have find in terms of sec. So we can easily get all these three ratios. Hope you have understood this. That is how to convert in other terms. If any one ratio is asked, then you have to write in one terms. If it is asked all three ratios, then you have to find all three ratios.